Why choose a sleep under smart bed? Can it keep me warm when I'm cold?
Wait, no, I'm always hot.
Using paper clips to measure. Can you help me measure my pencil? Here's my problem. I wanted to figure out the length of my pencil using paper clips. I tried to measure correctly, but I kept getting different answers. Let me show you what I did. On my first try, I thought my pencil was 4 paper clips long. Do you see something wrong?
Yes. Yes.
On my second try, I thought my pencil was 6 paper clips long.
No, that's
Do you see something wrong here?
yes. That's totally wrong.
On my third try, I thought the pencil was 4 paper clips long again.
Totally
Do you
wrong.
see something I'm doing wrong?
Alright.
On my fourth try, I thought the pencil was 5 paper clips long. Do you see something wrong?
Yeah, no. It's wrong.
Oh, I think I understand. So I have to make sure the paper clips go from the very beginning of the pencil to the very end. I have to put the paper clips in a straight line without overlapping. I have to put the paper clips end to end without leaving any gaps. And I have to use units that are all the same size. Okay, so I started at one end of the pencil and I went to the other. I went in a straight line without overlapping. I didn't leave any gaps in between the paper clips. And I used paper clips that were all the same size this time. I got it. The pencil is 5 paper clips long. Thanks for your help. I wonder if these rules would work.
Now we can practice with the dinosaur. How long do you guys think the dinosaur is in rocks? This is the size of one rock. Anna? 4. It's a good estimate. 7. Going across, see where the line is? You're going to be going that way. And 5. 5. Alright, let's check and see. You guys want to count with me? So 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job. So if the dinosaur is 5 rocks long, a number like 4 or 5 or 6 would be a good estimate.
Mine was 4.
Yeah, that was good.
Mine was
Alright, we're going to try the dinosaur but with paper clips. How many paper clips long do you think the dinosaur is? 3,
4.
4, 3. Alyssa? 3. Alright, let's count. 1, 2, 3.
I said 3.
Alright, so we're going to try the same thing but with clouds this time.
4.
Bella?
6.
4, 3, 4, 5. Alright, let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4.
I can choose the 3. I choose 3.
What do you guys think that non-standard units of measurement means?
4.
Anna?
5. And maybe
Bella, maybe?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Here, I'll help you out. Do you guys know what standard is? No? Alright, so a standard unit of measurement is when you have a specific amount, so like if you were to measure in inches or by a foot. Does that make sense? Yeah, so what do you think non-standard means? What? You can go to the bathroom. Get you?
I don't know.
Okay, alright. So non-standard units of measurement is where we can measure an object as something else as long as it's the same size or shape. So we could use any object to measure something, but we always have to make sure it's the same size and shape. So for example, like with the dinosaur, like we just practiced, we wouldn't be able to measure the dinosaur with both a cloud and a paperclip, right? Because they're different sizes. But if we use all clouds or all paperclips, we can measure it. Does that make sense? Yeah. Alright. So why did you think that the dinosaur was 5 rocks long, but only 3 paperclips long? Yeah. You're right. So the paperclip is longer than the rock. So if we were to compare the rock with the paperclip like this, you can see that the paperclip is much longer than the rock.
In the cloud.
Yeah, and the cloud. You can put a cloud next to it too. You can see the cloud's in the middle because it's longer than the rock, but it's shorter than the paperclip.
Yeah.
And I have a worksheet we're going to practice with. Alright, we can go back to our seats and I'll pass these out and then we can do the first one together. You guys can go sit at your table. Can everyone look up here so we can practice? So we're gonna, I want you to all write your name on the paper before we start, okay? Did you guys write your name?
Everyone's name should be on their paper.
Yes. Alright, we can all do the first problem together, okay? So if you look at the caterpillar, we have a starburst. We can write our estimate on how long we think the starburst is here. So I'm going to guess that the caterpillar is 2 starbursts long. So I want to write 2. You can write whatever number you want. It don't all have to match. And then after you write your estimate, we're going to measure it, okay? So I want you to start at 1 end of the caterpillar and make sure you put however many starbursts long it is. I count 3 starbursts. 1, 2, 3. And I want you to write on the next line that it's 3 starbursts long. Okay, after you're done, make sure you trace your starburst, okay? So you can show that it was 3 starbursts long. And you want to trace 3 of them. And then you're going to do the same thing for the next 2, and then there's 1 on the back. And on the back at the end, there's some questions, okay? Make sure you trace it to this one too, okay? Make sure you trace this one too. It just has to be about, so if it's not exact, it's okay.
I think 2. 2. Oh, I was so close. Yes, I got it. The frog is so long that it takes them all 4 of them. There's the other side. You know, all the way. 4. This is so 4. Can we do the other side? I'm doing the other side. 4. 1, 2. Yes.
Yeah, so it will be 1. second one next to it, it's going to be way too big, right?
Yeah.
So it would be closer to 1. So you're going to
No, I
write
did
1 as your
1.
answer and trace 1 starters. Does that
I
make
did
sense?
1. Yeah. Oh, I did 1.
Yeah, good job. These are the questions.
Oh, piece.
I want you to look back at all your answers and see which one was the longest. And you're going to write that here. And then, yeah, you're right. So you're going to write crab in here.
How do I write that?
It's right there. C-R-A-B. And then for the next one, you write the shortest one, okay? Yes, alright, so you finished? This is a question. I'll help you just. Can you help with the questions? Yeah? Alright, which object was the longest? This one? Yeah? So can you write crab right here? It's C-R-A-B. Good job. Did you hear what I said? That was the longest. And then this one would be the shortest object. So can you look at which one was the shortest? Yeah, the shell. Can you write seashell or shell? Either one. Good job. Did you finish, Remy? Did you do your questions on the back?
Yeah, I've done the questions.
Good job. Alright, make sure you write your name, okay? And then you can turn it in. Alright, you can turn it in if you're done.
Miss Kelly.
That's free because it's not 2. Wait, no, it's free. See, this is how I look at it. It's 2.
Yeah, this one's probably closer to 2. Because if you were to look, if you were to put it on top of the bumblebee, it covers the whole bumblebee.
I got all of mine correct. I got all of mine correct.
Good job. You're good at
Dun,
estimating.
dun, 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 dun.
And then one on the back and 2 questions.
Yeah, okay, it can be.
Alright, you can turn it in if you're finished. It says it right here too. C-R-A-L.
I have to make sure it was hard.
Well, I don't know.
Yeah. Oh, what did you do that?
So for this one, you're gonna take your pencil. Which one was the longest? Which picture? Yeah? So can you write crab? It says it right here. C-R-A-B. And then this one, whichever one was the shortest. So what was the smallest one? Yes. So can you write seashell? I'll have you spell it. Good job.
Miss Kelly. You're up to 16 minutes. You want to keep going? You're up to 16 minutes.
It's good. Thank you.